Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So you can see that it's definitely wash day. I dread this day so much. I don't know why I dread it so much because I feel so much better after I wash my hair, but I just dread the process. Yeah, it's a mess. I only wash my hair once a week. If I can stretch it a little longer than that, I will stretch it a little bit longer. I not only have curly hair, of course, but I have color treated, bleached curly hair. So my shit stays dry. And also on top of that, you know, washing your hair more often when you have color in your hair, it strips the color out. So I don't have time or the money to get my hair colored every, month because I've stripped the color out of my hair. So yeah, once a week or longer if I can stretch it out. So I've been using lately to wash my hair are the Diva Curl line. I have the No Poo Decadence, and I believe that is the shampoo. The names for these products are absolutely crazy. And then I have the Diva Curl One Conditioner Decadence. So that's the conditioner. So of course I'll wash my hair with shampoo, conditioner, and then because I have blue hair, and oh my god, I just saw it in the camera, oh my god. Because I have blue hair, I also use a blue shampoo. The blue shampoo that I use is the Viral Blue Shampoo. Now, I love this shit, but it stains worse than actual hair dye. So I usually will put gloves on when I put this in my hair, or I will usually wash my hair in the kitchen sink because it has stained my shower like it's blue. But for this video, I think I'm gonna try to go ahead and wash it in the shower. We'll see how that works out. But yeah, so those are the products I use to wash my hair. And then after I wash my hair, I basically try not to put too many products in my hair. I get buildup really quickly. My hair is not very thick, so product builds up very quickly in my hair. So I try not to use that many products in my hair. That way I don't have to wash it so often. So what I do for a leave-in after I wash my hair is I use the Shea Moisture's Curl Styling Milk. So I'll just put a little bit of that in my hair. I also use the Ion Silk Drops. Just, one or two little drips of that just to give my hair some shine and some more extra moisture. And then I love the Eco Styler olive oil. I know there's been a lot of controversy about this, but I love this stuff. I've used it for years. My daughter loves it, and I ain't got no complaints, so I'm gonna keep using it. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and try to film me washing my hair and, the process that, I do afterwards. So if you want to see all that, then stay tuned. Okay, so I am just wetting my hair here. I'm gonna let y'all know now, this is the first and the last time that I will be trying to do a wash my hair on video type of thing. Yeah, disaster. Okay, so I'm just using the shampoo that doesn't lather, but it gets your hair really clean, and rinsing that out. And then I'm gonna go in with the conditioner as well and rinse that out without trying to drown myself. Looking like a drowned animal, making sure that this is still recording. Next, I'm going in with the Viral blue hair shampoo. Now, this stuff stains just as bad as a hair dye would. I should have put some damn gloves on, but I didn't. Yeah, that's where I'm realizing that I really fucked up. Blue shampoo all in my face, all in my mouth. Yeah, hot mess. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and use a old shirt to wrap my hair in. But can we talk about how my eyebrows are still intact after all that foolishness? Look at God. Okay, so when my hair is soaking wet, I just use a towel to just get most of the moisture out. Then I'll go ahead and get this old t-shirt or any old t-shirt and put that on my hair. That just tends to help with frizz. The friction with the towel and the rubbing and stuff, it just makes my hair hella frizzy. So I usually will just throw this in a shirt and let it sit for a few minutes. I don't want it to be completely dry. I still want it to be pretty damp because the products that I put in my hair will help with my curls. So I'm not wanting to put it on dry hair because my hair tends to stretch out and straighten out, and I don't want that. Go ahead and take this shirt off and start putting the product in my hair. So this is my hair, right out of the shower. I usually don't use a brush with my hair. Obviously, I don't have that much of it. And, you know, finger combing through my hair works just fine. So the first product I put in my hair is the Curl Style Milk by Shea Moisture. I occasionally will use their conditioner as a leave-in as well. It just, you know, it's all the same to me. I know somebody's gonna scream it ain't, but, you know, it is to me. I don't put too much in there because I don't have that much hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rub that through my hair. I do put a little bit on the sides, but you know, she's short, she don't need much. That is in my hair. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is put the Ion Silk Drops, just a tiny bit. That just helps give my hair some shine and some moisture because my hair is just so dry. So just a little bit of that. I'm gonna rub that all in. And I do make sure to rub that on the sides. So the next thing I put on my hair is the Echo Style, and that is the olive oil kind. I love this stuff. So I usually will put just, you know, enough to cover both of my hands. And I'm gonna start pressing that up into my hair because, you know, I wanna start encouraging my little baby curls. Flip it over and put a little more in my hand. I'm just basically just putting enough to coat my hands. You know, it's not a whole lot. Just crunching it in. Okay, so once I've got enough of that product in my hair, I'm gonna go back in with that t-shirt that I used and just sort of scrunch any excess product out. The Echo Styler is a little heavy. It tends to weigh my hair down if I have too much in it. So I just go back with this t-shirt and just sort of scrunch all the excess out. Okay, so once I get all that excess product out of my hair, I just basically let it air dry. And my hair, I don't know why it takes so long to dry. My hair is hella thin. This is what my hair looks like when it's wet. And basically, I just let it dry this way. If I have time, I will let it air dry. And it usually takes several hours. I don't know why my hair takes so long to dry, but it does. And if I'm in a hurry, I will go ahead and use a diffuser on it, just so that I'm not losing any curl definition. But I usually try not to put too much heat on it because, like I said, I already have bleach color treated hair, and you know, I ain't trying to put all that heat on it to kill the rest of the hair off. So I'm trying to keep what I have. But anyway, I will go ahead and insert pictures of what my hair looks like when it's completely dry. And yeah, hey everybody, so it is the next day, not even the next morning, just the next day. I've been at work all day, so don't mind if it's a little frizzy. It's hella humid outside. But yeah, anyway, this is my hair dry. As you can see, it curls up pretty well. Anyway, so I hope you guys like this bit of a disaster video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Also make sure to hit that notification bell. Double tap that notification bell. That will alert you to whenever I post videos and, you know, come by and see what I'm doing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you all next time.